TechnoIllustrator. Editing pencil color. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an image. Click on File, Open. Select File to be opened, click Open. Or, press Alt-F, press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Use the Pencil tool. Click on the Pencil tool, edit the size to the maximum pixel of 4. Step 4. Edit the color of the pencil. Click on the color in the colors bar to the one you need to use, or make a custom color. If you need to use the pencil to color the borders of the color wheel to the color adjacent to it. Step 5. Save an image. Click on File, click Save As. Upon clicking Save As, the Save As window will appear. Find the folder where you want to save your file, type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click Save. Your file is now saved.